A window is in the shape of a rectangle surmounted by a semicircle. If the perimeter of window is 20 feet, okay, find maximum area. We need to maximize again. What here total question have? A window is in the shape of a rectangle surmounted. Means you have to consider one figure here. There is a rectangle and there is a semicircle, half circle on it. Okay? This is the shape of window. What we have to do is we have to start by taking radius. First what I am writing here, let radius equals to x. Radius of semicircle is x. If this one is x, this is also x from here to here. So opposite sides are equal. What is the opposite side now? 2x. Then we can consider length of rectangle, breadth of rectangle you can take y. Here radius of circle is x. We have started by taking radius of x. This is also radius. Both radius means total 2x opposite side. Length of rectangle we got from that one. Breadth of rectangle we got. Now what we have to do? They have given perimeter of window. Perimeter of window equals to 20 feet. Perimeter means what? Perimeter, suppose if I have a square, this side is A. Perimeter means 1, 2, 3, 4. Adding all the sides. If I have a circle, from here I am starting perimeter of pi r. Again this one is pi r, 2 pi r. So half circle is always pi r. If you are taking anything round like this. So this one if I will take from here to here, this is pi r. R is how much? This is pi x. From here till here is pi x. Now I am writing perimeter. Perimeter means ends. Walls we can say, outer walls. 2x plus y plus this one is pi x plus y. We will not take this inside value. Why? Perimeter means outer thing. So how to find perimeter of window? First you should know this length, this round curve is pi x. Then this is y. This is also y. This is 2x. Inside x and x. But inside we will not consider for perimeter. Perimeter means outer line. Outer lines, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3 sides of rectangle and one curve of semicircle. So all the things combinedly is how much they have given? Equals to 20. Now how many x values are there? Count it. Y, 2y plus 2x plus pi x. We should equate y. Equating y means writing other terms on right side. Don't write. Y is equals to this 2 is divided by 2. Y equals to 20 by 2, 2x by 2, pi x by 2. Y equals to minus x minus pi x by 2. No need of writing pi as 22 by 7 for this one. We got y value. Still, perimeter of window we have to consider. From perimeter we got equation of y. What we need to maximize actually? Maximize area of window. So this rectangle area will be length into breadth. Semicircle area will be half into that is for triangle. For circle area is pi r square. Area is how much? Pi r square. Why I am taking half? Semicircle means half pi r square. Formula for this one, length into breadth. Formula for this area, area of rectangle, area of semicircle. These two areas maximization we have to do. So first we will write area of window equals to area of semicircle plus area of rectangle. Area of semicircle half into pi into r square. Length into breadth 2x into y. So this one is pi by 2 x square. 2x into what is the value of y we have? by 2. Now this is pi by 2 x square. 2 into 10, 2x into x. This is 2x square pi by 2. Now we have pi square. Okay, whatever we have, area is f of x. Once we got f of x, what we'll do now? Yes, differentiating both sides. Pi by 2 into d by dx of x square. 20 into d by dx of x. 2 into d by dx of x square minus pi into x square. Then pi by 2 into 2x. 20 into 1. 2 into 2x minus pi into 2x. How much we have now? 2 pi x 2 pi x. This is 20 minus 4x minus 1 pi x. How? Plus 1 pi x minus 2 pi x is minus pi. So this is f dash of x. After f of x, what we'll do? We'll find f dash of x. Then after getting f dash of x, what we'll do? Yes, we'll take put 20 minus 4x minus pi x equal to 0. X contains term on left side. So x contained terms are minus 4x minus pi x on left side. This is minus 20. Minus x common, 4 plus pi equal to minus 20. X is equals to 20 by 4 plus pi. Better we write pi plus 4. Looks good. Okay. We got the value. Only one value we got. Previously, how many values we used to got? 2 values. After x, f dash of x, what we'll do? Again, we'll write f dash of x. Now, differentiating both sides, what we'll get? F double dash of x equals to d by dx of 20 minus 4 into d by dx of x minus pi into d by dx of x. So, this will be 0 minus 4 into 1 minus pi into 1. Is there any x in f double dash of x?
No.
There is no x, so we can write directly. Therefore, f double dash of x, direct answer is less than 0. Both are negative, na? Direct answer is less than 0. F has maximum value. Whatever, one single value, no? After differentiating again, f double dash of x, both are minus, we don't find any x value to substitute here. So we have to write f double dash of x is less than 0, f has maximum value. We need to find maximum area. Maximum at 20 by pi by 4. Therefore, we have to write maximum area equal to f of 20 by pi plus 4. In place of x, in f of x, where is f of x? This is f of x. In place of f of x, we have to write pi plus 4, 20 by pi plus 4. This is pi by 2, 20 by pi plus 4 whole square plus 20 into 20 by pi plus 4 minus 2 into 20 by pi plus 4 whole square minus pi into 20 by pi plus 4 or 4 plus whole square. Okay, to simplify that one, what we have to do is first we'll simplify numerators. Pi by 2 into 20 square 400 by they'll get square. This square I have distributed to both of them. Plus 20 to 20 400 by pi plus 2. Then minus 2 into, don't multiply 20, minus 2 into 22 times
400 by 5
then minus 5
5 plus 4 whole square.
whole square. Clear? Now pi plus 4 whole square is the LCM.
Yes.
Pi plus 4 whole square. Wherever pi plus 4 whole square is there, whatever in numerator write that only. Here pi plus 4 square is not there. 400 into pi plus 4 is given here. Minus pi plus 4 whole square is there, just to multiply the numerator. Pi plus 4 whole square is there, this end 400 pi. Now we have 200 pi plus 400 pi plus 1600 minus 800 minus 400 pi divided by pi plus 4 whole square. What are we? These two cancel. 200 pi minus 800, so 800 we got. Pi plus 4 whole square. Now if I take 200 common,
5 plus 400.
single pi plus 4 cancelled. The answer is 200 by pi plus 4 square feet or feet square you can write. Okay. What we have to do, those who don't know the simplification, they can just write it here. How much is the answer of x you got? 20 by pi plus 4. This simplification no need to do 200 by pi plus 4, you can remember. Okay. No numbers will be changed. Same questions you will get in final exam. That only I am saying. Now you want me to take promise, yeah? You will not get any changed question. Same whatever given in this Telugu Academy textbook. This Telugu Academy textbook is there, na? From that only they will prepare paper and no questions will be changed. Numbers, everything will be the same. Okay.